Hi everyone, welcome back to Ice Caves. In the last video, we got Sabrina's Sword of Healing, and we fused all three swords to make the ultimate RB Battle Sword. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the shrine and put the swords in the shrine for the ultimate battle that will be happening later today. So, the first thing you need to do, well, you should probably have AFK on, it'll be pretty hard without it. Second thing you need to do is have all three swords. Then you need to go to your gears and you should be able to equip all three of them. So once you have them equipped, you're gonna have to go into this Hall of Fame and you're gonna need 3,000 coins. So that's gonna take a little while to grind up, but I've done it. And you need to buy Sabrina Bright, you need to buy DJ, and you need to buy Russo. So once you have all three of those, you're also going to have 5 wins and 10 wins open. So come to this lobby, and then you're going to have to complete it. So we need to hurry up and do this. Okay, so once you're at the top, I haven't done it yet, so I get the lobby, but you want to come over here into this control-ish room, and what you need to do is go into your inventory and you need to put on DJ for this one. Well, it glitched, but you need to put on DJ and then you need to get out his sword. And then once you've done that, it'll do a little cutscene. And there it will charge up his sword. And this one's a little nice because you can go fast with it, so it makes you go a little faster. So now what you need to do is come on over to this do not enter place, and then come on down here into this little fan place. Just go through there. And you don't need to do this first, but there's a code right here for this. This code is 7 6 3 2 3 4 9 5, and then press the asterisk, and these doors will open on up. So once you've done that, click this little switch. And it will power up. So now that you've done that, we'll do this little obby right here. Okay, now just come out through here, and then this part's not hard, just go across there, then come over here, then jump up, and come down here, and come up here, jump down, and then jump through. And now you want to come to the right, you'll get our biggest fan. It's a secret obby. And now what you need to do is equip Sabrina. So then get out Sabrina's sword, and it'll do another cutscene, and we'll get hers charged up. And now that we have the power on, we can switch these on to try and make all of the lights green, and then it'll do a little elevator thing. I didn't think I got, okay, well I guess I did. So then that will turn purple. And now you can just come out. And now we need to go back to the other obby, the lobby obby. I think it's easier without this sword. So, I'll equip that. Okay, now that we're up here, hopefully I don't fall. Yeah, okay. So now that we're up here, we need to turn this one on. So just flick these levers. Not sure which ones I need to flick. That's not it. Okay, there. And then it will open the second part up of the elevator. And now you will be able to go into the elevator. So, and this will be green too. And you get the elevator badge. So we'll just come out here. And then what you need to do is come on into the elevator and just click the button. Or slash it, whatever. I think it actually just goes up by itself. And now we need to get this door open. So in order to do that, you need to come over here, and right there's that green star. So click that. And that will open up. Okay, so now we just come over here, and if you do not have the host on, it will not let you do it, just so you know. But, so we need to go to skins and equip Russo, and then get his sword out, and it'll do cutscene. So now that we have all three of these, well, also we need to make this one blue. Don't know. It's a lot harder. Okay, there, got it. So now that that one's blue, just come down here. I'm gonna quit my normal avatar again, but now we need to go back. Oh my goodness, okay. Some glitches. Now we need to come back down to this do not enter area, and this door will be open. And now you can come in here, and here is the shrine. So what you need to do is just have the swords equipped, and I'll put in the sword. And it'll start powering up things. So now we'll get this sword out. And now we'll get this last sword out. And I believe they do need to be charged for this. Pretty sure. And then once you've got all that, it'll give you the shrine discovered. And power up this last part. And now you see this note. You can click that and go into your inventory, gears, and equip that. And it'll say, "Good work, Battler. You successfully cracked the code and discovered the secret shrine. All you need to do now is earn the winner's wings and wait for the ship to finish fueling up all the way," which will happen today, later. Once all of that is complete, you should have everything you need to pilot the ship to the final battle. If my calculations are correct, I'm estimating the ship will be finished fueling and prepared for takeoff sometime on December 5th, which didn't happen. It got delayed a week. In the meantime, I highly recommend you get some practice. So now that Now that's that's the last thing for the shrine. So later today you'll be able to go in if you have the winner's wings. So thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye!